Lesson 5, the Garden of Eden. The first two people God created were Adam and Eve. He completed all of his creation before he made people. Adam and Eve were placed in the Garden of Eden to live. The Garden of Eden was a beautiful place. It was a land of promise. There, God would come to the garden and talk with Adam and Eve. Everything there was perfect. The garden was holy, free from sin. Adam and Eve could do anything they wanted in the garden, except for one thing. God told Adam not to eat of the fruit of a tree that would make them know the difference between good and evil. They did not need to know this because Adam and Eve were perfect. They did not sin. God wanted them to choose to remain perfectly obedient to Him. He wanted to be able to continue to walk and talk with them, so Adam and Eve stayed away from that one tree. They enjoyed talking and walking with God, and they enjoyed the garden until something terrible happened. Think you guys might know what that terrible thing is, don't you? We'll see.